Okay, so sorry. So good morning, everybody. Just real quick, we placed a trade in for silver. We sold silver based on the hourly stochastic RSI you see right there, being at 100 overbought, and the 15-minute stochastic RSI was also at 100 overbought. It was at like 75 overbought when we had sold it, so we had to wait a little bit, and then it went up to like $18.33, 34 cents. The top price level on the hourly 200. This is the hourly chart right here. So you see right there that's where it went up to. I told y'all it was gonna go up there, so it went up there, and then from there it's gonna tank down. What's the lowest price level on this chart right here? Let's look at it. The lowest price level appears to be right there, 18.062. The MA20. We call it MA20 Paris Hilton. So that's our trade right there. We'll show you the account real quick. You just have. So yeah, we are in profit 59 cents right now. We throw our money into Australian dollar equity accounts. So the $5 or $10 of US dollars can basically double or whatever. We do like $7 in there, 6, 7 or whatever. So it give you almost double. You see almost 14 in there plus the bonus. So we have the sell in there. We have a take profit set. We have a set right there, take profit for 0.50. You see how that matches the hourly, chart or whatever. So to show you what the MetaTrader chart looks like. That's the 1 minute. Let's go to the hourly. Let's go to the 15-minute. Sorry, 15-minute. There we go. So that's where we're at. We're selling it at 18.290 and whatnot. We tried to get it better. It went up to 18.33. So for now, we're just letting it go down. It looks like based on this 15-minute chart, it's just going to drop to that next price level right down there. You see how it all correlates, all the numbers correspond. So it's going to trigger out right there anyway. If you look right there, there's this line on the chart. That's like one of my EMAs. So it's just letting you know it's going to drop down to that EMA right there. So that should give me about $29, $30 profit. And then we already have like 15 in there AUD. So that would put us at closer to $30, $40. And then we can get into like 3 or 4 trades on the way up when that one hits. So at this point, we just sit and wait for that to happen. It'll take a little time, but we have it set the trigger to get us out right at that price level. As soon as it hits there, it's going to get us out. So we'll be watching it as soon as investing.com shows us that there's a buy signal on the 15-minute stochastic RSI as an oversold at 0. It's a wrap on those buys, and we're going to sell them for now and see what's up. So we write it down here, try to get $30 off of this, and then get into 3, 4 trades on the way up. And then we should be good from there, because if it just goes down to basically 18.050 or something like that, and then from there it goes up to 18.74, boom, it's a wrap. Or at least 18.570 or 18.4, it don't matter. From 18.06 to 18.40, that's going to be about $35 a trade. Do that 4 times, 120, boom. If it goes up to 570 and 60, from 18, basically it's like $55, $60 a trade. Do that 4 times, $300 or something. If it goes up to 740, that's about $74 a trade, $65 a trade. Do that like 5 times, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna write this down, get that 25, 30, and write that up 4 times, 3, 4 times. And then from there, try to collect, like 150, 200 off that move, and it will be good. At that point, we can get into 10 trades and start bringing in $100 profit every 10 pips it moves. So this is our trade we're doing right now live. You just watched it. We broke it down for you in 4 minutes and showed you why we made the move and when we made the move, and 2 different charts, how to look at it on 2 different charts. I didn't show you how to look at it on this one. Just go with investing.com. You see how simple that was. The stochastic RSI said overbought at 100. You sell it. Always keep in mind what the daily context is. What's the daily candle? Well, for silver, the daily candle is buying. So the stochastic RSI on the 15-minute is your only short. That's your only short. You would take the short on the stochastic RSI at overbought 100 on any chart. Higher than 15-minute, 30-minute, catch it, 1 hour, catch it, 5 hour, catch it, daily, catch it. But other than that, 15-minute only. So we're riding this until the 15-minute stochastic RSI is bottomed out, because right now we are going against the daily candle. The Daily candle is green. The RSI was under 30 last Friday, so right now RSI was at like 36 a few hours ago, so it's probably a little bit lower because it's starting to drop, but it's probably higher and starting to drop from there. And yeah, it's higher than 36 right now, I would guess. We could check it on here right now. Let's look at the daily. What's the daily RSI? Higher than 36, like I said, 38.95. Boom. So you see all those black candles, you know, those are daily candles selling down, but so down to the bottom of the chart. Here we go. We're about to buy up. You see the top number on the daily, 28.94. That's exactly where silver was last year when I first started trading it in February of 2021. It was $30, and I tried to buy it. It was 29. I bought it up to 30. At 30, it crashed. Never went back up. Nowhere near that. It crashed from 30. So at the very beginning, I was supposed to just buy it up that one night, sell it, and just keep selling for a year and 9 months, bro. All the way to now, from $30. You see right there on the daily chart. So that's where this daily chart is taking it, bro. From 18 back up to $30. It's gonna hit 28.94 and push past that. Touch back to 30 where it already was, probably push past it a little bit more, maybe even doubling it to 60. Never know. So ain't no telling how far it's gonna go up past 30. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my account numbers and stuff. Y'all are a bunch of scam artists and criminals and shit. So anyway, that's the trade, bro. Thank you. That's the first one. So we'll see what's up. Let's go back to the 15 minute. And we're good. I don't know. This, this trade can actually last a lot longer. I'm not really sure. The hourly and 15-minute stochastic RSI is topped out, so once they bottom out on the hourly, we're good. But what's the hourly bottom out even looking like? The hourly bottom out is looking like 17.680. So I'm not sure what they're going to do. So at least for this 15 minute, at least for the 15 minute, we're just gonna hold it down to that next price level and see where it's at. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to think if it's gonna pull the RSI all the way down under 30. Not sure, but it's all good. At that next price level we're pulling out, so we'll just test that price level. When that price level hits, we'll see how strong that price level is. It's all good. We're gonna wait for 18.60, 18.06, and test that price level when it's done to see what it's looking like. So we have it set to pull this out right there. 8 minutes into the video, too long. Thank you all for watching. Just wanted to show you that the trade was live. So here we go.